is Orieliel Watcher. I know it's been a really long time and I'm so sorry. I think my last video was on our tarot deck. Today I'm actually going to be doing a series of videos because I've had a lot of requests, and I certainly don't want people to think I don't care about their lives or their interests, especially in the metaphysical aspects of things. And so today we're just going to do a few short videos on a series of topics. And I'm sorry about any background noise. We have a lot of construction going on in the area right now. So I turned the air conditioner off. It's a pleasant day. So I feel like, hopefully we have no distractions. So today I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about a do-it-yourself altar. And I found this beautiful piece in a small store in Pine River, Minnesota. And the woman there does Reiki, and she has a metaphysical area. She did a little clearing on me with this selenite wand. It was very lovely. And she has another section including clothing, so it's like a thrift store, but with a metaphysical kapow to it, and a garage sale feel as well, because she has this area that's just, it was at one point all color coordinated, and I think it's changed a little bit, but it's still amazing. I don't know the name of it. It's just Pine River, Minnesota, thrift store on Main Street, and I can't tell you the beautiful pieces that I've received from them. Hold on one moment. It's a funny thing. Oh my gosh, I can barely lift this. So we will be talking shortly about the altar, but I got this twin crystal, and I had already picked out all my things, including this altar space for a portable altar, really. And I didn't have all the money, and the cash machine wouldn't let me pull out more than $200, and I only shop once a year, maybe twice a year up there, and so I haven't bought a crystal in a while, but this one is just so amazing. And on a hot day, it's like ice. And metaphysically, I have an ice dragon, and I do feel that there's a dragon attached to this crystal. I think I have a picture somewhere that I did showing remnants of the ice dragon. It's just amazing. I'm going to get a stand for it and have it in the sunlight to generate more energy. But anyways, I got that from that store. And so I got many things. I got some baskets for my garden to grow herbs, and this delightful. And at first I was going to use it as a plant stand, and the woman who sold it to me said, it should be in triangle form. The woman who sold it to me said, hey, you could use this for an altar. And I thought, oh my gosh, how wonderful. So I have a few things here that I'm going to show you. And I do have to keep track of the time. We might have to move this to part 2. We'll see. This was given to me by a woman, and we worked at a group home together. And this is blessed by her coven. And this is like pink salt with rose and some other herbs. So for me, when I'm making an altar space, you want to remember that you need, it really depends on what you feel, but I use salt as a barrier because I'm setting my intentions. I'm going to take this out. This is a piece of orgonite. I don't normally work with orgonite. I have mixed feelings about it, but this piece is great because it has the chakra, and it's just beads, so I don't feel that the living crystals were per se crushed to be in this device, we'll say, but I'm going to remove it for now. So right now I'm placing my salt. Let's see, this might be a little bit easier. So we're going to place a barrier of salt, like a circle of salt, okay? And there's rose hips and other beautiful things inside of it. And that should be enough. Now we're we're just going to push it and make sure that it's all in a nice circle and even as much as possible. Some parts got a little bit thicker. We're going to add just a little bit more to the start so it's a little even. Anyway, so you want to make a circle, a barrier, and people use altars for different things. My plan is to use this as for healing, so I would maybe place someone's photo in the center and direct energy, Reiki. In my case, I do Reiki. I'm also a shaman, and I have a lot of titles, and I just can't stand using them because, you know, like many of us, we've taken a lot of classes, and it's just silly to think that we want to associate ourselves with titles on a consistent basis. But some people want to know all my titles, and I'll probably just put that in the caption because I'll take away time from this. So we have a nice circle here of salt. It's a barrier. The next thing I plan on doing, and I use symbols. This is going to be our tarot deck emblem, which is fantastic. I think I'm very excited anyways about our tarot deck. It's almost finished. We had a few glitches, and so we had to redo a few cards. But this is, so you can incorporate symbols. And this is a very strong symbol. And that would be a base. And then I'm going to put another crystal I just bought from that store. And it could either be a cross or the 4 directions. And right now, oh, that would be so amazing to be able to, it's catching the light and I can see it through. I doubt you can see it on your end, but that's really gorgeous. It acts as a prism, so that's exciting. I'll be able to work with that at some point. So I'm going to place this in the center. And then I have some roses. Best investment I ever got was these. So again, we're going to place some roses in petals in a circle around the different colors. I have yellow, I have pink, peach and yellow. So this altar is based on a frequency of love and compassion and healing fear. And so I would say that anyone who wants to access this energy, by all means, I will be putting Reiki into this. And almost there. So here we have our rose petals infused with the salt. And it's like a little sunshine at this point. And our intention then can be set in stone, literally. I'm using the wellness stone to go at the top. So our focus is compassion and wellness. So that is the gist of this. Like, when you're creating an altar, what is your intention? What are you setting the intention for? Is this something personal? Is this something communal, meaning in your community? Or is it more greater than that, like global? Let's focus on, say, this COVID crisis for those who truly believe that they are ill with this dis-ease of the mind, body, and spirit. So we're going to use this altar today to focus and channel the idea of wellness, and because it's shaped in a circle, we'll focus it on the earth and Earth's wellness and the people and the animals and all of creation. So I'm going to take a moment, and we have to check the time, and we're going to be merging these videos, and hopefully some of that can be 86'd out of there. But if not, you understand where YouTube has their rules and things like that. So I am going to be right back.